Some days call for something simple, something warm from the oven. So today we're making blueberry muffins. Into a large bowl, add 300 grams of self-raising flour, remembering to measure everything out perfectly as baking is chemistry. 1 teaspoon of bicarb soda sprinkled in, and a small crack of fresh sea salt. Then simply mix it all together until combined. 2 big tablespoons of caster sugar straight into another bowl, and 2 fresh cracked eggs. Beat that all together until thick and well combined and a yellowy paste is formed. Then 200 milliliters of buttermilk. Remember, nothing complicated here, just simple ingredients. Take your time with it, no rush. Then 80 grams of softened butter, plus a teaspoon of vanilla paste. Whisk together to get everything nice and combined. If you have any lumps of butter, not to worry, the oven will melt those straight down. Pour that straight into your flour mixture and mix together with the whisk. Once you've gone as far as you can with the whisk, switch over to a flat spatula and fold together. Once again, no need to rush. Eventually this will all come together. Now, add the blueberries and gently fold them through the batter. Grease up your muffin tin with plenty of butter and then add your blueberry mixture, just the right amount to give that perfect rise. We are going to cook these for 25 minutes in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius, which is 350 Fahrenheit. And here they are, beautifully golden. Perfect blueberry muffins every time. Crispy on the outside, soft in the middle. Okay, I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.